Hi everyone, today we're starting a new type of writing called procedure writing. A procedure is a set of instructions to tell us how to make or do something. Today we're going to write a plan for a procedure, telling someone how to brush their teeth. You'll use this plan tomorrow to help you with your writing. Firstly, in your working from home book, we need to rule 3 boxes, making sure the last box is a big box like the one on my page. So I've got 1, 2, 3 boxes. A procedure always has the subheadings title, materials and steps. So in the first box we need to write title. In the second box we write materials. And finally in the third box we write steps. So you'll write these subheadings in your working from home book as well. A title is what is being explained. A procedure is going to tell someone how to brush their teeth. So my title is going to be How to Brush Your Teeth. Notice I've got capital letters because it's a title, so make sure when you do your plan you have capital letters for your title. The second box is materials. So in here you'll write a list of materials that you need. So to brush our teeth we need a toothbrush. We also need some toothpaste and some water to rinse your mouth. So I've just listed toothbrush, toothpaste and water. You can also draw pictures in there if you want to draw a picture of a toothbrush, toothpaste and water. The last section of our plan is going to be steps. So the steps describe step by step in order how to brush your teeth. Because this is just a plan, we're going to write the keywords for the steps. Tomorrow you'll write the steps in more detail. Every time you write steps, you need to number your steps. So I'm going to put number 1. The very first thing we need to do when we're brushing our teeth is hold our toothbrush. But because we're writing these instructions for someone else, I'm going to write hold your toothbrush. Okay, remember it's just a plan, so we're only writing keywords, not a long sentence. Step number 2, we put toothpaste on our toothbrush. So I'm going to write put toothpaste on. Step 3, well now we've got our toothbrush with our toothpaste on it. The next step will be brush your teeth. Notice I've got a capital letter at the start of all of my sentences, so make sure you have a capital letter at the start of your sentences. Step 4 will be rinse. And lastly, once we've finished brushing our teeth and we've rinsed our mouth out, we would need to put the toothbrush away. When you're writing a procedure, try and aim for around 5 steps. So today in our plan, I've written just the keywords. Tomorrow we're going to look at our plan and we're going to write our procedure in more detail. Good luck with writing your plan today. Bye!